Welcome to the Stop and Go 1085 Tire Repair Kit demonstration. In this repair kit, you will have the tire plugger, a reamer, a nozzle, a probe, and extra tire plugs. The first step is to find the puncture in your tire. Next, you will grab the probe and unscrew the nozzle. Set the nozzle aside and insert the probe into the afflicted area. You will want to use a back and forth motion like so to clean up the hole in your tire. Next, take the reamer and do the same kind of back and forth motion. This will clean out the hole of any extra debris. Now it's time to prepare the plug gun, so you're going to take the mushroom plug and hold it by the stem. Insert it into the front of the plug gun and then push it down with the nozzle. You'll want the plug to be inverted. Screw the nozzle back onto the probe and then insert the probe into the hole of the tire. You will want the base of the nozzle to be touching the tire. While keeping the nozzle inserted into the tire, you will now unscrew the probe from the nozzle and then screw the plug gun into the nozzle on the tire. Now you're going to squeeze the handle all the way until you hear a clicking sound. You will also watch that silver bar until it is at its notch at the very back, and then you can pull it out. Now the plug is firmly in there and you're going to give it a tug so that it patches from the inside perfectly, and now you're ready to fill your tire with air.